According to the National Electrical Code, specifically Article 406.4c, electrical equipment shall not be installed in or within reach of a shower or bathtub space, or within 3 feet of the finished floor where the bathtub space or shower space opened. There is an exception that equipment intended for use in these locations shall be listed for the purpose. Article 406.4e states switches, receptacles, or any other electrical equipment shall not be installed in a location where they could be immersed in water. There are some exceptions. Exception number 1 includes listed spas, hot tubs, and swimming pools. Exception number 2 includes listed equipment intended for use in wet or damp locations. Based on these code requirements, panels cannot be installed within a shower or bathtub space or within 3 feet of their finished floor. However, exceptions are made for equipment specifically listed for wet or damp locations, such as ground fault circuit interrupter or GFCI outlets. Therefore, if the panel is located more than 3 feet away from the finished floor of the future half bathroom, it is not prohibited by the code and can remain in place. It is always recommended to consult with a qualified electrician to ensure that the installation meets all applicable code requirements.